Ham and cheese pinwheels. Here's what you'll need to prepare this super simple appetizer. On a very lightly floured surface, unfold and roll the thawed puff pastry, working with one sheet at a time, into a 10 by 12 inch rectangle. Spread the pastry evenly with about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of mustard. You can use any type of mustard you like here. And then on top of the mustard, layer your ham evenly and overlapping slightly. Top the ham with some cheese. I like to use Gruyere, but Swiss would work well too. And then gently but tightly roll the pastry into a long log. Wrap the log in parchment paper and repeat with the remaining sheet of puff pastry, mustard, ham, and cheese. Chill the wrapped logs for 20 to 30 minutes. While they're chilling, heat your oven to 375 degrees. Unwrap the logs, cut them into 3/4 inch thick slices, and then arrange the slices 1 inch or so apart on parchment lined baking sheets. You can use the same parchment paper you used to wrap the logs. Bake until golden and bubbly, about 18 to 22 minutes. Let them cool slightly and then shower with fresh herbs if desired. I particularly enjoy these with a bit of chives. Serve warm or at room temperature. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/food.